Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we're going to showcase some Toyota SUVs today. We're going to start off with this 4Runner Trail Hunter that we're doing a king suspension setup on, and we're going to do some trimming on it to clear some 35, 12.5, 17 Needle Trail Grappler MTs. We're wrapping them up in a set of Volk Racing ZE40X wheels. If you're looking for a king setup for your vehicle, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have a ton of king inventory for all popular Toyota and Lexus applications. We also help you take out the guesswork on what parts you need to order. We have pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and pre-adjusted lift setups in stock and ready to be shipped. That way you can install it the first day you get them by yourself or at your reputable local off-road shop. And we're also located in the city of Baldwin Park here in sunny Southern California if you want us to install it for you. You can reach out to us anytime by phone during regular business hours or send us a message 24/7 anytime. Just click on the link in our description to go to our contact form. You can find that down below. The last thing you want to do is to shoot on raised lug nuts with an impact gun. So here, we put them on by hand, and once they hit the ground, we'll torque them all down to spec with our snap-on torque wrench that we calibrate quarterly for precision. I know you guys like to save money. Who wants a nice promo code? This one's a well-known one from us. It's for the RRW wheels. Use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4 or $125 off a set of 5. Next up, we have a Land Cruiser 250. This one is in for a king suspension setup. This is the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with the compression adjusters. The King and links for both front and rear. And we're using some Icon Tubular Delta Joint Pro upper control arms. For the rear, we're lifting it with a set of Dobinson springs. These are the 819Vs that the customer decided to go with. It's actually rated to get about 2 inches of lift with up to 400 pounds of added weight. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going to rock the Volk Racing TE37XT SL M-Spec wheels with some 35-inch tires. Tire of choice here are going to be the Toyo Open Country AT3 All-Terrains. To add some additional storage space, we're going to be installing a Prinsu Pro roof rack on this Land Cruiser. Here's a question for you. What do you guys think of king shocks with Icon upper control arms? Some say it's like wearing a Nike t-shirt and some Adidas shoes. And some say that it works well. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Suspension, wheels, and tires have been installed along with the roof rack. We're going to back this one out now for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. We'll showcase some more Land Cruisers and 6th gen 4Runners in a bit, but for now, let's shift gears and go back to a 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. People still love these. Some people still prefer the 4.0 liter naturally aspirated V6, so they're still going for top dollar out there. This one is in for a bunch of mods. We're gonna go with the top tier Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series setup. This one has the DSC, which are the dual speed compression adjusters. We're going to pair it up with some CAMBURG Kinetic billet uniball upper control arms, some old Man Emu rear lift springs. We're doing the Treaty Oak KDSS spacers on this one and running Duro bump stops. Just to clear things up, because people get quite confused when they hear about 2.5 shocks. They think it's a 2.5 inch lift. No, this is actually a 3-inch lift. 2.5 is the 2.5 inch shock diameter that it's describing. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with a set of matte black face and gloss black simulated beadlock ring RRW RR7V wheels with some 285/75/17 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. To fit that on here, we did a body mount chop along with a front high clearance bumper cut. Next up, we have another 5th generation 4Runner that's in for a King 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers and shock setup with compression adjusters, CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms, some old Man Emu rear lift springs, and some wheels and tires. We're going to wrap on some 285/75/17 Needle Ridge grapplers on some Method MR709 HD wheels in matte black that you see here. Wheel specs are 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. We're doing a body mount chop to clear that as well. It already has a front bumper with a high clearance winglet, so we're good on clearance there. We did not previously install the front bumper, so the edge trim was put on there a little bit differently and the customer didn't like the way it looked, so we're going to redo it for them. We're going to roll this one out, do a quick custom alignment on it, and hand the keys back over to the customer. Next up, we have this underground gray 6th generation Toyota 4Runner. This one's going with an EIBACH Pro Truck Stage 2 setup with Elevate upper control arms. Gonna be rocking some RRW RR7V flow formed wheels. These right here are a 17 by 8.5 size, 0 offset and a 6 by 139.7 bolt pattern. Matte black face with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring. Tire of choice are the Toyo Open Country AT3s and a 35 12.5/17. We're gonna do some trimming to help this clear. Don't forget, we have the promo code YouTube, YOUTUBE, to be used on our website to get $100 off a set of 4 RRW wheels. That's any RRW wheel listed on our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Let's squeeze in a Land Cruiser and 4Runner before we leave you today. This one right here is going with the Old Man Emu MT64 3-inch suspension lift. These have a 2.8-inch shock diameter MT64 setup on here, and we're running some Method MR703 bead grip wheels in a 17 by 8.5 with a positive 35 offset. Don't want to do any crazy trimming for 35s on this one, so we're doing the 285/75/17, which requires minimal modifications to clear. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we post content on there daily. This LC250 is now complete. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. And this 5th gen 4Runner is going with our best bang for the buck BILSTEIN 6112 and 5160 setup with some Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms with the caps. We're going to upsize the tires on here to some 285/70/17 that we're wrapping on the TRD Pro SEMA wheels that the vehicle came in with. There you have it, folks. This is the latest and greatest from 88 Rotors Off-Road. We hope to bring you more content in the near future. For now, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care of yourself and each other.